Okay, y'all, welcome back to the Cordy's family. Welcome back to my channel. I have 104 subscribers. I'm just gonna start off with that, y'all. I'm so grateful and thankful for the subscribers and my new friends that I have met. First off, I came on here to tell y'all thank you and to do a unboxing video. I was gonna go live, but I'm not ready for live yet. I'm not. But yes, I got something here. It's hard to grab it. But yes. Let me see. Let's do this. And I'm sitting in my living room on the couch watching TV. And I gotta knock at the door. I was actually editing the video too. And watching my computer over here. I was editing and watching YouTube. But yes. Amazon Prime. I already opened it. Like the box itself I had opened. And I'm like, let me record before I open it up and do a unboxing video. Yep. Whoop.
Going on right now at Value City Furniture. Shop today and get free delivery right to your door when you spend $9.99 or more. Or enjoy 36-month special financing. Only at Value City Furniture and online at vcs.com.
It's my selfie ring. Selfie ring light for my phone, because I know my camera is my phone for recording right now. Look, my scissors on the table. Yeah. They're on the table. I just used this pencil. And I was eating me some homemade fries. I should have been recording that too, but that's something little. Some homemade fries. And bagel. What is that? Strawberry pop. And watching BET. Nothing I was. I was actually editing on my laptop and watching YouTube. Trying to get some work done while the kids gone. I was gonna do a video, mukbang, but I'm about to actually now that this thing came, I'm about to get back on Amazon and order. I want to do I know this is supposed to be an unboxing, and I'm going to talk about something else. I want to do the mala noodle challenge. Yes, I want to do the mala noodle challenge. Okay. So this is a selfie ring light. Selfie ring light. New Wear. I got it from New Wear. It's Amazon. The vendor is New Wear. And this is a little package that they sent with me. But it's in here is a glove, lens, brush, and cleaning cloth. It's a 3-in-1 cleaning kit. It's the cleaning kit. This is nice. It's the brush. It's the brush. And this is not sponsored either. I wish it was sponsored. Sponsor me. Somebody sponsor me. Somebody comment in the comment section who I can get the sponsor. This the cleaning cloth. This is something that I just got just to start my videos so they can be up higher and something good with the ring light. Let's see if the glove is gonna fit. That was the wrong can. There must be one size fit all glove, and it fit my little hands. And they just little need this in there too. Don't need that. Let's see. Papers. Some more paper. Let me get this going because I don't want nobody to call while I'm doing this. But yes. Yes. Where's the other ring light? That's what it's missing. I was supposed to have 3 ring lights with it. Oh, okay. Put it in there. Hi. But there goes the light. I'm going to plug it in so we can see it. And here go the part for my camera, for my phone. And then you clamp it on to the table anywhere that it can be clamped onto. Is actually some good material. This is good. It's metal. It's hard. Yeah, I like it. Oh, okay. This must be the change of the lights. It has 7 levels of light. Let's plug it in. Plug it in on my couch piece. My couch got a UV plug right here on my couch. Come on, that's dyeing nothing but my hair product. I'm dyeing my hair too. I got this plug in right here. Put it right here. UV plug. Back up. Alright, let's get this going. I got a feeling somebody about to call. That's it. It lights up blue. This must be the power button. Okay. Let's turn it down. Oh, yes. Oh, look at that. Look at that light. Okay. Yes, y'all. So this is my new. Make it brighter. Oh, man. You can't even see me. But this is going to be lovely. This is going to be lovely. I'm happy I got this. This is the start off of me upgrading and investing into stuff for, my YouTube channel. I'm trying to get this on the road, y'all. I told y'all I was coming back. Once I got, certain things and not coming back. I am here. I left a minute ago, but now I'm back. And I ain't going nowhere. Yes, but that's it. I paid, I forgot how much I paid for this. I think it was like $30. Yeah, I think it was. Show enough. Y'all just don't know how happy I am that I got this though. This light, like it is. This is lovely. This is good. This is very good. Like I think I'm gonna get a couple of these. Like, look at that. I really do like that. I really do. I do. I like that so much. Let me show you how I got it while I'm just sitting there. I do. I love this so much. I'm just hoping that my camera, that's what I need to do. Let me see if my camera. Let's see if my phone can fit in here. Oh, who? What? With my outer box on here? Okay. And I got the iPhone 7 Plus with the outer box. So you know that make it heavier. And it's holding up good. I can take my light and put it whatever way I want. Let's do that. Pick up that light. Yes, pick up this light. That's what I want y'all to see, this light. Look at the detail on that. Yes, y'all, I'm going to go get me a bigger one. But I wanted this for now, and then it'll be different. You know, I'll go get different lights because I'm building my studio. I really want to wait till I'm trying to move. That yellow light is so pretty. Pick it up on this camera. Like a sun, is the sunset. That's what it looked like. That is so pretty. Oh, okay. So the lighter, it'll make it look like more like the, or was that blue light was just for me changing it? Yes, it was. I thought I had a blue light, y'all. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. I was doing the unboxing. Yeah, I was doing the unboxing. I should have left it on there. Unboxing video. And make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And comment down below what else y'all want to see. What else y'all have in mind for me to do. Let's go. Let's get this going. You have any suggestions? Anybody want to do a collab? Let's go. Corley's family. My email address is CORLEYJ1J@gmail.com. And thanks for coming to check out my video. And see y'all guys later.